In the spirit of my respect for all religions, I'd like to share with you some deeper insight into the esoteric meaning of the Islamic Muslim religion. There's some fantastic mathematics that's embedded since the birth of Muhammad. So first of all, the title of this one is called the Abjad. Abjad of Allah equals 66 and the 99 names. So I've divided this into 4 sections, and we're going to talk about what Abjad means. It's like the gematria. Gematria means in English, if A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, where the ancient people attributed mathematical numerical values to every letter in their alphabet. So when we look at the name for Allah, A-L-L, so that's how Allah is written. And they start from the right and go to the left. And the beautiful thing about that is that when you look at the back of your right hand, I'll just grab this is the right hand. I've got a texter. The way it's drawn is that the little finger is the Alif, and then there's the 2 L's, the Alif, Lam, and it comes back to the H sound, the hair. So I just want to show you how that goes. So we've got the A coming down, and we've got the L coming down, and then it comes up like that. So that would be the name of Allah, and what it means is that the name of the Lord is actually in our hands. And I'm going to show that again in another section. But what we're doing is that we're looking for the numerical frequency of this sacred name of Allah, and we're going to learn that there are 99 names, but this is the basic one. So I decided to write my Arabic alphabet, so like A, B, C, D, Alif, B, T, it goes all the way around. There's 28 characters, and when we get to the Lam, the L shape is a value of 30. Then we've got Mim, Noon, He. This is the 5 value, which is in the name of Allah. Woe, yeah. So we've got 28 characters, but the only ones that are consistent for the name of Allah is the 1 for Alif, 30 for the Lam, the L, 2 of them. And that's why we have this little ligature at the top. That ligature there means we've got an emphasis on to 2 L sounds the Allah. And then the tail end is the H sound, the Ha. So altogether it adds up to 60. So because it adds up to 66, they also decided they were lovers of these magic squares. Magic squares are where this is the most primal magic square of 3 by 3. We're going to need this one to create a magic square that all adds up to 66. So by definition, the first 9 numbers is where the numbers from 1 to 9, the 3 columns add up to 15, the 3 rows, and even the 2 diagonals. So if we use that as a template, starting from the 1 to 2 to 3, we get a pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the middle, 6, 7, 8, 9. If I follow those same numbers, I'm going to start from here. I'm going to start with 18, but follow that pathway. So I go 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. I'm following this yantra, 25, and I go to there. Suddenly I've got a magic square. It all adds up to 66. So just like the Tibetans, the Arabs believe that every number has a soul, so that when we put all these together, we're actually talking about a living community of souls. So this was very sacred. This is what I love about this. It's not just sacred geometry, it's sacred mathematics. And because every name is a vibration, is a frequency. So 66 was very special. But how about the 99? Where did that come from? So there are 99 names of Allah. The Ar-Rahman is about the giver of mercy. The Ar-Rahim means the bestower of mercy. Al-Aziz means the mighty one. Al-Latif means the most gentle. Al-Jalil, Al-Hakim, Al-Haq. Haq is the truth or the absolute truth. Al-Wahid, Wahid means when we go 1, 2, 3. So these are the numbers here, like when we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The 1 here, Wahid, the way we write Wahid, or the number 1, also has a value of 66. If we count the A-L, the Al, and the Wahid, it all adds up to 66. And An-Nur, the Nur is the fire, the divine light. So every name has a very special meaning, and there's 99. And that's why they always say Allah Akbar. Akbar is the God is the greatest. But what they're essentially saying, there's only one God. The beautiful thing about Islam is that they don't believe in many gods. They don't believe it's all one. It's about a unity consciousness. And just to conclude, we're going to see that again, just like we saw the name of Allah is written on the back of the right hand, this time we're going to look at the palms of my hand. So take a look at this drawings here. So on the left hand, I'm going to write the number. I look at the main lines of my hand. There's a 1, and there's the upside down V. So that's 18 on my left hand. And if I look at my right hand, so there's that upside down V. I'm following the natural lines of my hand. That's 8. And there's the 1, so that says 81. So together, when we look at 18 plus 81, it adds up to 99. So that's why these 99 names were very sacred, because the frequency of divinity is in our hands. It's a very special symbology, very rich in symbolism. And they also believe that Muhammad lived for 63 years. So if you take 18 from the 81, the subtraction is 63. So this is just the beginning of recognizing that there's a beauty in all religions, and then by honoring this particular faith, we're seeing that they believe in what's called unity consciousness. Allah means all is one, the Wahid. Thank you.